All right, Jason, absolutely. We're going to talk about temperatures and pressures. Sometimes we have residual left behind or letters are filling in. We've tried high pressure, low pressure, and different heat temps. Is there a sweet spot to start with? So this answer, and I do a lot of R&D and testing here. So from my experience, we want to start the lowest pressure and the lowest heat possible. And this is something that you really need to dial in between your press or the processes that you're using to print and your sleeking laminator. So we always say, start at about 100 degrees Celsius, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and decent amount of pressure, let's say 40 PSI. And then work in increments. So increase your heat by 5 degrees Fahrenheit at a time, 2 degrees Celsius. And what you want to see is a very solid, flat adhesion to broad areas. And what you're going to see on those little letters that you may be having problems with is that if you get too much heat, the heat is actually going to affect the bond of the toner to the sheet, and you're going to end up lifting that toner off of the print and actually taking it with your foil. So always start low and work it up. Great question as far as a sweet spot to start with, and the answer is no. Start low and increase. We never want to start hot because we see more problems with that end.